You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly from German, a German chemist. If you want to learn more names from the history of science, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in German as Walther Nernst. Walther Nernst. In English, therefore, you can pronounce it as Walther or Walter, but it's normally Walther Nernst. The equation or the effect. Walther Nernst. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.